Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create smooth motion in Hailuo AI. First, open Hailuo AI and go to the video generation section. You can start with a text prompt or upload an image, depending on the type of video you want to create. When writing your prompt, focus on the movement you want. Instead of asking for many actions at once, describe one clear and natural movement. For example, you could write, "A young man slowly walks toward the camera while his clothes move gently in the wind." With smooth cinematic camera movement, you can also describe simple camera movements, such as a slow zoom, gentle pan, or smooth tracking shot. These instructions can help make the video feel more natural. Avoid using too many complicated movements in one prompt. If the subject needs to walk, turn, and interact with several objects at the same time, the result may become less predictable. After writing your prompt, generate the video and wait for Hailuo AI to finish processing. Once the video is ready, preview it carefully. Check whether the subject moves naturally, whether the camera is smooth, and whether there are any sudden or unwanted movements. If the motion looks too fast or unnatural, simplify your prompt and use slower movement instructions. You can also generate another version with slightly different wording. With practice, you'll learn which movement descriptions work best for different scenes, and that's how you can create smoother motion in Hailuo AI.